Vida Divina proudly presents Tea Divina, the original detox tea. 100% certified organic ingredients will help cleanse your body and mind. Vitaline, a complete meal replacement shake infused with certified organic reishi, antioxidants, proprietary proteins, digestive and probiotic blends, providing your body with the nutrition it needs. Liquid Gold, a non-comedogenic, pure, natural, and organic oil blend with real 23-karat gold flakes in the bottle. Life, an all-natural, organic weight control and body maintenance enhancer that revs your metabolism, helps curb your appetite, and assists your body in maintaining sustainable energy and vitality. HCG, a natural, quick-absorbing proprietary formula that triggers the hypothalamus to release and mobilize extra body fat. Ignite, another one of our star products. A metabolism-boosting formula chock full of super digestive enzymes that aid your body in digesting foods. Cheat. No more remorse and regret when you cheat on your diet. Cheat blocks the absorption of carbs and unwanted fats and sugars, preventing them from being stored as fat in the body. Youth. Blended with all natural compounds that occur in the body naturally, Youth helps re-engage some of those helpful benefits as they may reverse the effects of aging, helping your body keep a healthy balance. Ripped. An all-natural ultimate bodybuilding formula infused with tongkat-ali muscle growth technology. Atom, a revolutionary thermogenic formula featuring key botanicals such as guarana, green tea, and maca root to help suppress your appetite by turning your body into a metabolism-boosting fat-burning machine. Sleep and Lose, our 100% all-natural nighttime weight loss and sleep formula that helps you rest better and wake up lighter. Sleep the pounds away with this non-habit-forming sleeping aid and weight control technology. Brain, a special formula that nourishes your brain and provides you with better mental focus, clarity, and concentration. Supercharge your thoughts, memory, and brain function with this powerful formulation. Chaga. Utilizing the chaga mushroom. Chaga is a dense powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, sterols, melanins, and especially antioxidants. Cordy. This organic medicinal mushroom harvested from high mountain regions in Asia is packed with minerals and properties to support your overall immune system. Gano, one of the oldest medicinal mushrooms known to man. It has long been prescribed for longevity and vitality in traditional Chinese herbalism. A powerful spectrum of health benefits await you. Mars, the all-natural, no side-effect male libido enhancer. It's formulated to enhance your libido and stamina while supporting prostate health. Venus, the all-natural, no side-effect female libido enhancer. It's also formulated to alleviate undesirable menstrual cycle symptoms or ease the effects of menopause. Ouch! 100% natural pain control formula, non-habit forming and packed with over 600 milligrams of pain-fighting ingredients. Sight, our eye health supplement that helps protect every fiber and nerve of the eye and assists in improving vision. It helps to alleviate poor eye conditions which contribute to the symptoms of aging. Black, a premium coffee derived from the coffee Arabica bean, is universally prized for its sweet overtones and more nuanced flavoring. Black has further enhanced this smooth and rich coffee with the health benefits of Ganoderma lucidum. Latte. It starts with the same base blend of Arabica and organic Ganoderma and adds a creamy flavor with a hint of sweetness. Each latte is packed with 2 grams of fiber and an amazing coffeehouse taste without the long line. Mocha. Now take our amazing latte and add a rich dark chocolate. The taste will drive you wild, and you'll have to remind yourself that it's not just a sweet cup of decadence, but also infused with organic Ganoderma lucidum. Healthy never tasted so good. Hazelnut latte. There's nothing quite like the mingled smells of hazelnut and coffee in the morning. This aromatic flavor tantalizes your sense and rouses your passions. Those same beneficial ingredients, combined with the subtle Arabica bean notes, carry the hazelnut flavor straight to your soul. This cappuccino keeps with the greatest traditions of the 17th century Italian Capuchin friars that originally created it. Smooth, creamy, and packed with serene flavoring. Another one of our star products, cappuccino. Sculpt, a premium coffee with amazing benefits, infused with 6 of our key ingredients, including Ganoderma. This coffee helps speed up your body's fat-burning processes and helps you to control your appetite. Used in traditional medicines throughout Southeast Asia, tongkat-ali, known for improving blood circulation, fat reduction, and giving a boost to both stamina and energy. Combined with Ganoderma and ginseng, this coffee is sure to pick you up and keep you going. Hot chocolate. Coffee isn't for everyone, but rich and creamy chocolate decadence is. Infused with the same amazing benefits of 100% certified organic reishi, this delicious beverage will put a smile on your face as it warms your body. Vida Divina. Lead with love. To order these products or join Vida Divina, please get back with the person who invited you to see this video. VidaDivina.com